Hello friends, welcome to Manu Law classes. I am Gautam Dixit, subject matter expert, GK and current affairs. In this video today, we are going to talk about how to prepare GK for CLAT 2022 and even 2023 and 2024. We are going to discuss what is the importance of reading newspaper, how you should read it, how you should make the notes from it, and how to revise it constantly, what information you should look for when you are reading an article in the newspaper. So we are all going to discuss, and we are going to answer each and every question which you have in your mind related to how to prepare GK for CLAT. Before I start, so we at Manu Law classes, we have already started with 1 year and 2 year courses. You can enroll today now itself by calling us at 9971444054. Okay, so don't wait for the lockdown to get over, to be lifted, and then you will start your CLAT preparation. You can start your CLAT preparation right today itself. Okay, so enroll in our batches. Now, students, we have come up with the unique concept of free trial. Okay, so the Manu Law classes has started with the 15 days free trial, and in this free trial the features are that you will have access to live classes with one-to-one interaction with faculty within the class and outside the class. Then you will have access to recorded conceptual lectures on various topics important for CLAT. You will have access to topic test as well as sectional test, and you will have access to your performance you have done in this test so that you can analyze your strength and weakness, and accordingly you can strategize. Now, how to sign up? It is very easy. Just go into the description box. You will find the link for 15-day trial. Just click that link, then fill the form, and then you are set to access our unique 15-day free trials. So sign up it now. Now coming to the topic. So before I start the topic, the important thing is that I am assuming that you all are beginners. Okay, you are beginner, and I am assuming like that. So before that, I will start that know your exam first. So the CLAT exam. Okay, there are total 150 questions for 120 minutes. In here, legal reasoning 38 questions, current affairs and GK 37 questions. English 30 questions, logical reasoning 30 questions, quantitative aptitude is 15 questions. Okay, so if you will see the weightage, so legal reasoning has the highest weightage, followed by current affairs and GK. Then English and logical reasoning have equal weightage of 30 questions each. Then quantitative aptitude of 15 questions. Total is 150 questions, 150 marks, and 120 minutes. Over here, just try to focus right now that what is the weightage of current affairs and GK. Okay, so it ranks second just after the legal reasoning, the current affairs and GK. So it becomes a very important part, important section in CLAT paper. So you cannot just think that you will clear CLAT and you will get good colleges in CLAT, good law colleges, without going through current affairs and GK or without preparing for current affairs and GK in a very effective way. So what is this effective way? चलते हैं कि effective way जानने के लिए the first step is that first you should know the syllabus. What is the syllabus of CLAT 2022 and beyond? So the syllabus is contemporary events of significance from India and world. Now these are the keywords which you should know. Contemporary event का मतलब होता है जो आजकल हो रहा है. Okay, so means news, current events of significance. Not every current events are of significance. Okay, so you have to decide that which are of significance or which are of not significance to India and the world. Then the next is art and culture, then international affairs, then historical events of continuing significance. इसका मतलब मैं समझा देता हूँ. There are certain events which are happening right now which has its root in history. For example, the best example is Israel-Palestine issue. Now, if to understand Israel-Palestine issue, friends, आपको इस issue का history समझना पड़ेगा. Okay, fine. So this is the meaning of historical events of continuing significance. एक दूसरा example लेते हैं, India-China dispute, border dispute. So to understand India-China border dispute, you need to know certain history after the independence. Okay, so This is the meaning of historical events of continuing significance. Got it? No need to get nervous. All these things can be covered. Okay, you don't have to read some special books for understanding this historical background of any issue. सब कुछ newspaper में आता है. Now the second is कि we know the syllabus. Then what are our sources for doing current affairs? So always, always, always. नो डाउट, अब आपके दिमाग में कोई डाउट नहीं रहना चाहिए. न्यूज़पेपर विल बी द बेस्ट सोर्स फॉर यू टू प्रिपेयर फॉर जीके एंड करंट अफेयर्स. न्यूज़पेपर बहुत ही ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट सोर्स है. आप न्यूज़पेपर को निग्लेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं. ओके, सेकेंड थिंग इज न्यूज़पेपर हैज नो सब्स्टिट्यूट ऑल्सो. इफ यू थिंक दैट न्यूज़पेपर कैन बी सब्स्टिट्यूटेड बाय सम ऐप व्हिच इज गिविंग जस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फीड्स or some magazine which is just giving you the monthly compilation of reading news, so my friend, you are missing a big picture over here. So newspaper is the best source. इसको आज ही अपना सबसे बेस्ट फ्रेंड बना लो. ओके, और इसको रीड करना स्टार्ट करो. डोंट वेट दैट ओनली आई विल रीड इट व्हेन द एग्जाम इज नियर. आज से ही इसको पढ़ना चालू करो. द नेक्स्ट इज आपके क्वेश्चन, आपके दिमाग में क्वेश्चन आता है कि क्या मैं न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ूंगा तो वो बहुत ज्यादा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग नहीं होगा, मैं बाकी के सब्जेक्ट्स कब करूंगा? सो इट इज द वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट मिथ यू हैव. ओके, यू कैन कंप्लीट योर न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग इन जस्ट 1 मंथ. ये बहुत से बच्चों को पता नहीं होता है कि अगर हम एक प्रॉपर स्ट्रेटेजी फॉलो करते हैं न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने का, अगर हमको क्लैट का सिलेबस पता है, हमने क्लैट के पास्ट ईयर क्वेश्चंस देखे हैं, उसके हिसाब से अगर हम स्ट्रेटेजी बना के न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हैं, सो आई विल हार्डली टेक 1 hour टू कंप्लीट द न्यूज़पेपर. दिस इज द बिगेस्ट थिंग व्हिच मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट मिस एंड आई डोंट वांट यू टू मिस इट. ओके, सेकंड है कि देन हाउ टू डू इट. Okay, how to read the newspaper? How can I do it? How can I complete the newspaper reading in just 1 hour? So there are 3 clear steps that you will follow so that you can complete the reading of newspaper in just 1 hour. Those 3 steps are very simple. Okay, the first is follow the do's and don'ts, जो मैं अभी आज के लेक्चर में डिस्कस करूंगा. Do's and don'ts means there are certain section in the newspaper which is important for your exam and there are most of the sections which are not important for your exam. तो आपको सिर्फ important section ही पढ़ने हैं newspaper में से. Second is always follow your syllabus. Most of the students, my friend, they don't follow the syllabus. वो syllabus में क्या लिखा है उसको देखते ही नहीं है. तो I want you to be smart. Now you already know the syllabus. मैंने उसको discuss कर लिया है. आप न्यूज़पेपर में सिलेबस को ध्यान में रख के ही पढ़ेंगे. ओके, क्योंकि सिलेबस में लिखा है कंटेम्पररी इवेंट्स ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंस फ्रॉम इंडिया एंड वर्ल्ड. ओके, इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस, आर्ट एंड कल्चर, हिस्टोरिकल सिग्निफिकेंस, ओके, ऑफ कंटिन्यू, ओके, हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट्स ऑफ कंटिन्यूइंग सिग्निफिकेंस. तो ये सारे सिलेबस है, इसको आप दिमाग में रखेंगे. थर्ड है जो मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स निग्लेक्ट करते हैं, दे डोंट गो थ्रू द पास्ट ईयर क्लैट पेपर. बट मैं आज आपको बोलता हूं कि इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद आप प्लीज लास्ट ईयर क्लैट के पेपर को देखिए. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस हैव कम फ्रॉम व्हाट डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स द पैसेजेस हैव कम बेस्ड ऑन व्हिच द क्वेश्चंस हैव बीन आस्क्ड. ये आपको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से गाइड करेगा कि व्हेनेवर यू आर रीडिंग द न्यूज़पेपर व्हाट टाइप ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन यू शुड लुक फॉर. वो मैं आज डिस्कस भी करूंगा वीडियो में. सो द थर्ड स्टेप इज फॉलो द पास्ट ईयर पेपर्स. तो 3 steps हमारे क्लियर हो गए that how to read the newspaper. Before starting reading the newspaper, you should be aware of do's and don'ts. You should be aware of your syllabus and you should have gone through your past year paper. Now, let me tell you about don'ts. What you should not read in the newspaper. Okay? तो एक specific list है कि हम उसको follow करेंगे कि हम controversies के बारे में नहीं पढ़ेंगे, especially political controversies. Okay, if some news is coming on based on allegations, okay, there is no fact to substantiate it, कोई proof नहीं है उसका, so we are not going to follow all those controversies. First thing. Second is कि we will not read state specific news. State specific news means for suppose if you are from Rajasthan, so if you are reading the newspaper in Rajasthan, so you will get the daily news of local news of Rajasthan, but for CLAT that thing is not important. Okay, so we don't follow the state specific news. ज्यादा से ज्यादा आप क्या कर सकते हो कि 5-6 सेकंड दे सकते हो, और जो जो इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज है उसको बस उसके हेडलाइन को आपने स्कैन कर लिया कि आपको पता चल जाए कि आपके स्टेट में क्या चल रहा है, बट दैट इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर क्लैट. देन माइनर स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट्स लाइक somebody is winning the IPL, okay, somebody is has qualified for some event, and that event is not like Olympic, is not like World Cup, or is not like Grand Slam in tennis. So those things are not important, okay. In sports, if somebody has won some medal or some cup, that news is important. Then sometimes interview or personal opinions appears in the newspaper, that somebody is giving not the official opinion but a personal opinion, okay. So that is not important for CLAT. Then in certain newspaper you will see that there is review of books and movies once in a week, okay. तो वो आपके लिए important नहीं है. फाइन. ज्यादा से ज्यादा आप क्या कर सकते हो कि अगर आप बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्टेड हो तो बुक्स के ऑथर के बारे में एक ग्लैंस दे सकते हो कि हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ व्हिच बुक, ओके. उसके बाद एक्स्ट्रा वीकेंड आर्टिकल्स, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू आर रीडिंग द हिंदू और द इंडियन एक्सप्रेस, यू विल सी दैट on weekends some types of extra articles comes like in the name of magazine, वो आपको पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. The last thing is that election news you will not read, okay. Election rallies कहाँ पे हो रहा है, किसने क्या बोला, who made what allegations, okay, you will not read. You will not read exit polls also. So these are about don'ts. Now what to do then in the newspaper? So for your exam, editorials and op-ed are very important. They help you in building the perspective. What is the meaning of perspective? The meaning of perspective is they help you in knowing the issue. What is the issue? ये बहुत important होता है exam point of view से. If you will see the CLAT past year paper, some of the analysis based questions has been asked from the students, which is based on that whether student is aware about the issue or not. So ये आपको news में मिलता है और इसका एडिटोरियल और ओपेड में भी इंफॉर्मेशन बहुत ज्यादा मिलता है. सेकंड थिंग दैट इन द सिलेबस वी सॉ दैट देयर इज अ हिस्टोरिकल सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ कंटिन्यूइंग सिग्निफिकेंस, ओके. तो वो वाले जितने भी इश्यूज होते हैं वो आपको एडिटोरियल्स और ओपेड आपको हेल्प करते हैं उस वाले पार्ट के लिए, ओके. सो दैट इफ सपोज द एडिटोरियल इज डिस्कसिंग अबाउट इंडो चाइना डिस्प्यूट or is discussing about Israel-Palestine issue, so editorials and op-ed they normally come up with the background information also. So वो आपको वहाँ पे भी help मिलेगा. Sometimes in Hindu and the Indian Express, explainers come and they give the detailed explanation of any issue. So this is also very important. Then constitutional and legal news, court rulings, these are very important. For example, recently the Supreme Court ruled that journalists they are protected under the Kedarnath Singh case 1962. So that information is very important for you. So such types of legal news are very important. Then news related to defense, economy, environment, if government is introducing some new bills, schemes or social issues, all those are important. Then those international affairs which are specially impacting or related to India, it is very important, okay. Fine. So please focus on that. Then major appointments, awards and major sport events, these are very important. Major sports events like Grand Slam, okay, Badminton Open, World Cup, fine. These are major sports events, you should be aware of it. Once you have made the list of do's and don'ts, so while reading the newspaper, keep these things in mind. Now this is the information which you should know, that most of the students they ignore this, that if you follow do's and don'ts properly, you will realize that important news for CLAT are only 20 to 30% of the whole newspaper, okay. Fine. So if you follow this strategy, you are going to save your lot of your time. 1 hour is enough for the newspaper, okay. Then the next topic is how to read the news articles. So here I am going to discuss a little that see this news article has been taken from the Hindu, September 2020. It appeared on September 17, 2020. So this is discussing about SARC, okay. Now I just want to discuss something. Now if you will just read this paragraph, okay, you will see that it is discussing about Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Then it is giving information about External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, and then Pakistan Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi. Okay, they are expected to meet where South Association for Regional Cooperation meeting. Now these are the factual information. Okay, so you are right now you are reading all the factual information. The moment you see that something has been talked about like Shanghai Cooperation Organization, so it's your duty that to make a note of it and go on the internet and read about it. What is Shanghai Cooperation Organization? Who are the members, etc., etc. Okay, now read it more carefully. Then you will realize that in this news article, it has been given the 8 members of SAARC, including Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Maldives, India, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. Okay, so here also you have now got the information that who are the members of the SAARC. Okay, now read this article. So if you will read here, you will find out that a National Security Advisor on Tuesday. Okay, so who is the National Security Advisor? So see, during the meeting, National Security Advisor Ajit Doval stormed out. So now it is giving you the information that who is the National Security Advisor of India. Then again, it is also giving you the information about National Security Advisor of Pakistan, Mohit Yusuf. Then coming to the next one. Now see, when asked, the sources said that no specific guidelines on background or maps have been issued by the SAARC Secretariat in Kathmandu. Now you have got one more information about that where the Secretariat of SAARC is located. Okay, now in this way, if you go on reading, okay, so you can see an official also pointed to the revival of SAARC cooperation due to the COVID-19 pandemic crisis, including the creation of an all-India-led SAARC COVID-19 emergency fund and exchanges between regional health professionals this year. Now this is important. This type of information is called as qualitative information. Okay, and these types of information which I have discussed, they are called as factual information. Okay, fine. Now see, Nepal's Foreign Minister Gayawali said that the COVID-19 crisis has meant the region will experience a contraction of at least 2.7% this year and will experience the worst economic performance in the last 40 years. Now this information is also very important, can be asked that what is the expected contraction in the SAARC region to be expected. Okay, so in this way you are now introduced to factual information as well as qualitative information also. Now see one more information. The SAARC Foreign Minister meeting scheduled for next Thursday is part of an old practice of holding an informal lunch meeting on the sidelines of UN General Assembly in New York. So this can be asked that where the SAARC Foreign Ministry takes place. So it takes place in New York. Okay, fine. So these are some of the informations. Now if you will see the whole article, you will find out that there are 2 types of information coming in the news article. One is factual and one is qualitative. I call it qualitative. You can also call it analysis. And in CLAT, both type of questions are asked. Factual is also asked, qualitative is also asked. Fine. Now, how this question helps you? Now, there are 2 types of information which are important for exams. First is qualitative information. Now, this information will help you in answering the analysis-based questions. Okay, fine. So, for example, there can be a question in the exam that the SAARC region will experience the contraction of at least 2.7% this year. Okay, got it? Then the second statement can be that due to COVID-19 crisis, the SAARC region will experience the worst economic performance in the last 40 years. Then they will ask you statement 1, statement 2. Does statement 2 support statement 1? Does statement 1 support statement 2? Okay, in this way they can ask you the analysis based question. Got it? So these are called as qualitative information. So this information will help you normally in answering analysis or what we call this what, how, why type of information or question in the exam. Then we have factual information. This information they always give you direct information about the issue or about the event. For example, the factual information over there was that who is the National Security Advisor of India, or where the Secretariat of SAARC is located. So this article is giving you direct information on that. So this factual information always helps you in answering the static GK questions asked in exam. So while reading the newspaper, you have to follow this rule: qualitative information and factual information. Then there are certain things which you should not miss while reading the newspaper or while preparing the GK, that always make a notes from the newspaper. Okay, the newspaper, after reading, you should make the notes of important topics which for that day. The second is read the newspaper regularly. Okay, don't delay reading the newspaper कि आज नहीं पढ़ूंगा कल पढ़ लूंगा या संडे को मैं सारा newspaper साथ में पढ़ लूंगा. No, be regular in reading the newspaper. The second type of problem which we normally encounter among the student is that they say that sir, there is repetition of issue. एक issue बार बार आ रहा है. Then also read it, because what will happen by reading it continuously, the whole issue you will get the whole issue you will memorize easily. You will get to know the whole issue. Okay, so don't skip that. Sir, ये मैंने पहले पढ़ा हुआ है. No, then also read it. Then revise the newspaper notes which you have made regularly. Okay, revise the newspaper notes regularly. Then fourth and important point is that normally when we are reading the newspaper, we just go on reading without any time limit in our mind. This kills your time. So never read the newspapers in a way that you assume that you have the whole day to complete the newspaper. No, read it with the sense of urgency. Okay, now how can you generate that sense of urgency? Just fix the time limit for reading the newspaper. Every day fix the time limit for reading the newspaper. That how many time you are going to devote for reading the newspaper. Initially it will be lengthy, but as you get into the habit of reading the newspaper, slowly the time taken for reading the newspaper will come down. Okay, and the last one is revise your notes periodically so that you are updated and you doesn't lose on the critical information. Okay, or revise periodically करने से एक फायदा क्या होता है कि that when by the time when exam comes, most of the current affairs is on your tips. So if you think that you will revise at last, that is not a suggested strategy. आप उसको 1 week में at least एक बार revise करते हो. Then the next is that should you read monthly magazine? Okay, so पहले तो ये है कि आप लोग के दिमाग में क्वेश्चन आता है कि I will not read the newspaper, I will read the monthly magazine. That is the not a suggested strategy. Okay, monthly magazines can never substitute the newspaper, but if you want to read it, so read it with the revision purpose in the mind. Okay, but not as a substitute of newspaper. And why I am telling this? Because if you replace the newspaper with the magazine, you are going to lose very big. Because reading newspaper has other benefits also, and which is going to help you in other sections of CLAT exam. So first is your reading speed will increase. Okay, आप देखेंगे कि if you are reading the newspaper from last 1 month continuously, your speed will increase. Then the newspaper editorials, they come up with very rich vocabulary. Okay, so your vocabulary will also increase. Third is that if you want to make a very distinguished career in legal field, तो आपके पास reading की habit होनी चाहिए, because your profession is such that you have to read a lot of articles, and then from those articles you have to identify that which fact is important for the case, which fact is not so important for the case. Okay, then only you can become a good lawyer in future. So develop that habit right from now. That's why current affairs and GK has been included in your syllabus. To develop the habit of reading, you develop the habit of identifying the important information and not so important information. Because in legal career, you are going to do that thing only. Okay. And then, needless to say, reading the newspaper will help you in improving your marks in English and legal reasoning. Okay. So these are the benefits of reading the newspaper. Now the last question is, कौन सा न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना चाहिए? Okay, so you can read the Hindu, okay, most preferred, or Indian Express. The next question is, should I read print or digital version? So it depends upon the availability and your comfort. You can go for either print version or you can go for digital version. Okay, but make sure whatever version you are reading, okay, you follow the strategy and you complete the newspaper. Just don't depend upon the any app which is giving you only the very important news feed, because that app doesn't know that you are preparing for CLAT. Okay, so whatever strategy you adopt, okay, be in the continuous process of reading the newspaper. That is very important. Reading the newspaper, it requires continuous process. आज आपने newspaper पढ़ा, 2 दिन नहीं पढ़ा, फिर परसों पढ़ रहे हो, उससे कोई फायदा नहीं होने वाला है. Okay, it should be a continuous process and long drawn process. It should be a long drawn process. ठीक है, आपको इसका बेनिफिट एक हफ्ते में नहीं दिखेगा, हो सकता है 1 महीने में भी ना दिखे, बट जब आप एग्जाम देने जाओगे क्लैट का, तब आपको अचानक से इसका बेनिफिट बहुत ज्यादा दिखेगा. Okay, so it is a long drawn process, and develop the habit of reading the newspaper and enjoying the reading, because every day the newspaper is coming up with new information. Okay, so enjoy that process. That is very important. Then coming to your static GK, suppose if you really want to do the static GK from any good book, okay, so you can take Lucent. Okay, our Manu Law classes, it has a in-house publication. We have our in-house publication, and you can join us to have access to our in-house publication where we have compiled the static GK books, okay, in a student-friendly way. The next thing and the last thing before I leave is that, remember my friends, well begun is half done. So go through this video again and again, identify the important points which I have discussed, and start reading the newspaper with strategy and urgency, and start your CLAT preparation, because well begun is half done. So focus on it, focus on all the important points which I have discussed, and start implementing it from today to get the better results. Be with us, subscribe our channel, and get access to more important videos coming on English, coming on legal reasoning, coming on quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning, and subscribe to our Telegram channel for access to our daily questions coming on the topics related to CLAT. Before I leave, I just want to remind everyone that already the admissions have been open for 2-year and 1-year course. Enroll today by calling it as this 9971 444 054 and take the benefit of free trial. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.